Today NIO is celebrating its Diamond Jubilee, 60th foundation year, and as it was established in 1st January 1966. So it is completing the 60th year of its foundation. And you know, in last 60 years, this institute has done a lot of work regarding the oceanography, basic oceanography, technology development, societal help. So together we showcase that what we have done and what we have to do in future, because ocean is going to become very, very important in future for global economy, for Indian economy, in terms of blue economy. So what we can do further in terms of climate change also, it is becoming very, very important, because climate change is having its toll on the ocean. Not only ocean, things are getting changed, you know, that because of climate change, a lot of rainfall is happening, the cyclone is increasing, biodiversity is changing. So all these things we are trying to study, and in future we'll keep on doing that. So to celebrate till now what we have done, and in future what we are going to do for the country, for the ocean, for the society, we are trying to do that.